First, turn on the power here, turn on the power. And then until the windows is open. And then you go to this software. This is the bending system. First thing, you can turn it into English. Okay, and first thing is the login. Operator, or you can administrator. The password is 123. Login. And then you go to the manual mode, manual. And the first thing in the manual is to go home. You press it. Okay, you see the light is yellow, and then you can, this is the manual. Y is feeding, this is easy, and you can turn the speed here and also here. B is the rotation, C is the bending. Okay, and the other, these two, no. It's for the multiple stack toolings, so no use. And this one support type spot, and call it. Draw. And climbing die, pressure die, side means this one. Only the bending is more than 90 degrees. Say it's 92 degrees side. Okay. Back. Okay, this speed can be adjusted also here. And this is a manual tooling settings. M1 mode 1, bend die and the pressure die length. You check the pressure die length here. So 200, maybe 220. And you can set all this here, and the torque settings, you don't need to worry about it. So this is the manual, and you can go to the auto. When you go to auto, you want to continue to run or start all over again. We choose start all over again. The machine will go to the standby position, and you can press here to start it. So we can go to the mode. We say mode. Automatic means finish one cycle and stop. Single, when you choose single, it will stop for one movement. For example, first clamping, it will stop, and you press start, it will do a next movement one by one, step by step, this way. So we always choose this is for a new program. When you check the program is right or wrong, we choose single, but mostly we choose automatic for the processing. Panel start full step. Panel start means you press here, it will start. The foot start means the pedal. You press the pedal, it will start. And this one, sync catch or recatch. If you choose the sync catch and you press the start, it will start the whole whole cycle. But when you choose the recatch, when you step it, this collet will close. But when you step it, no other things, only this one. But you should use the double hand start. You should press these two. You see, the machine will run. And stop. This is a stop. And start again. Start again. Stop. So for the start the when you choose the recatch, it will only be started. The machine will only be started by the double hand. Button. So if you want to be convenient, you choose the single catch, but the recatch is for the safety. Okay, round pipe or not round, you always choose round pipe, because even your pipe is square, you choose a round pipe. Open after finish, close after finish means after one cycle, this clamping die clamps the pipe or open the pipe. When you choose the open, it will open and the pipe maybe will drop down. But when you choose the close after finish, so after the machine finish one cycle, this clamping die is closing, still closed, and you need to press the pedal or press here start to open it. Okay, main draw, always use main draw. Die open loading, die close. These two, before main draw, after main draw, these two you don't need to worry about it. You don't need to know. Push, always choose push. No return after completion. Return after completion means after one cycle, when it's opened, all this opened, this one will go back automatically, or you step it or press the button, they will return. The bending arm will return. So we always choose no return after completion for the safety. This one, the rear bolster, we don't have this function. And this also, we don't have this function. The PDA synchronized means the clamping and the PDA will clamp at the same time. We always choose this one. And normal mode means when you press it, it will finish, it will stop after one cycle. But when you choose the test mode, it will continue running without stopping, without stop. So this is the mode. Okay.